And in 8th place is Akhir Danish, the point leader. He knows he doesn't have to win this race, but of course he's a racer. They don't want to just second. There is Marco Morelli. He goes past Brian Uriarte.
Arrabbiata 1, Arrabbiata 2, the long climb begins.
Can he afford to be in front at this stage? Behind him is the 31 Pugliese, the Italian hero.
Right, this is the final corner time. What kind of run can you get onto the start and finish straight again? Peter, take it away. It's going to be...
Pugliese is looking for Slipsy. Veda Vs Danish has it, though. No one's going to pass him surely before the finish. It's going to be Indonesia.
He's done it. He's done it. Pertarungan wins then. What a ride that was. He was the one who played it the most sensible. He was the craftiest, and he has reaped the reward. Pertarungan wins in Mugello.
And Gonzalez is second. Pugliese is in
Uriarte 6th and Danish in 9th position.
Absolutely.
Goodness me. Oh, he's actually been demoted to 14th. And that is because he went on the green as he came out the last corner. I did spot that, but I wondered if he was pushed wide.
Well, it's a quick response, isn't it? So what is he doing?
It did move, didn't it? He did move. I did read him in that position, but maybe it's changed.
I didn't.